सेकेंड क्वेश्चन सिंप्लीफाई। दो ब्रैकेट दिया गया है विद एन एडिशन साइन इन बिटवीन। दोनों ब्रैकेट पे हम ये एक ही फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे a plus b plus c the whole square. So let's start with this. So the first bracket is x minus 2y plus 3. You can solve it separately and you can solve it together also if you want. अलग अलग सॉल्व करने से कैसा होता है, बहुत सिंपलीफाई हो जाएगा और कंफ्यूजन भी कम होगा. So when you apply this, so this will be a, b and c. x the whole square plus minus 2y the whole square plus 3 the whole square plus 2 into a into b, that is x into minus 2b, sorry it's 2y, plus 2 into minus 2y into 3 and plus 2 into x into 3 equal to, so x the whole square minus 2y the whole square, so ये हो जाएगा 4y the whole square plus 9 plus 2 into 2, and there's a minus sign over here, so the plus and minus will change to minus. 2 into 2 will be 4xy. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 3 is 12. There's a minus sign over here, so plus and minus will be minus. So this will be 12y plus 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into x is 6x. We'll solve the second bracket. So x plus 2y minus 3 the whole square. So x the whole square plus 2y the whole square plus minus 3 the whole square plus 2 into x into 2y. So x into 2y, we'll put it in the bracket, plus 2 into 2y minus 3. So it is 2y minus 3 plus 2 into x into minus 3. So you get x square plus 2y the whole square will be 4y the whole square minus 3 the whole square will be 9 plus 2 into 2 will be 4xy plus 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 3 is 12, minus sign is, so plus minus will be minus. So this will be 12y plus minus plus हो जाएगा minus, 3 into 2 is 6 and this will be 6x. Now we'll write it together because there's an operator in between both this bracket. So we can write this as x minus 2y plus 3 the whole square plus x plus 2y minus 3 the whole square. Now we'll write the result of this bracket. First result is x square plus 4y square plus 9 minus 4xy minus 12y plus 6. We'll put this in the bracket and addition sign, and we'll write the second bracket. Second result is x square plus 4y square plus 9 plus 4xy minus 12y minus 6x. So now basically you just check what terms are getting cancelled. Like for example, अगर हम bracket भी open करेंगे तो plus sign है, तो कोई sign change नहीं होगा. So you can keep it in the bracket and you can cancel it out. So minus 4xy and 4 plus 4xy will get cancelled. And what else can be cancelled over here? 6x and minus 6x, because एक पे plus है, दूसरे पे minus है. And other things like, now it's an addition sign. X square plus x square will give you 2x square. 4y square plus 4y square will give you 8y square. 9 plus 9 will give you 18. Minus 12y give you minus and minus will get plus. But the sign will be a bigger one. So 12 plus 12 will be 24y. And I think that's it. That becomes your final answer. Second question. Same manner, we have two brackets, but it's a negative sign over here in the between. So we have to take care of the negative sign. So we'll start with the first bracket. 3k minus 4r minus 2m the whole square. So when we solve this, this becomes your a, b and c. So this is 3k the whole square plus minus 4r the whole square plus minus 2m the whole square plus 2 into 3k into minus 4r plus, I'll write it down over here, that is 2 into p and c minus 4r into minus 2m plus 2 into 3k and into minus 2m. So when we solve it further, you get 3k, this will be 9k square plus minus at 4r will be 16r square, this will be 4m square plus 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 4 is 24. So there's a minus sign over here, so minus plus will be minus. So this will give you 24kr plus 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 4 is 16, but there's a minus here and minus over here also, so minus minus will change to plus. So you get 16rm plus, there's a minus sign over here, so the minus plus will be minus. So 2 3s are 6, 6 into 2 is 12, 12km. So this becomes one of your result of this bracket. Now let's see the second bracket. 3k plus 4r minus 2m the whole square. So this becomes your a, b and c. Now 3k the whole square plus 4r the whole square plus minus 2m the whole square. 3k into 4r, that is 2 into 3k into 4r plus, I'll write it down, 2 into 4r into minus 2m plus 4r, that is 3k into 12. So 2 into 3k into minus 12. So equal to 3k the whole square will be 9k square plus 4r will be 16r square. This will be minus 2 the whole square will be 4m square plus 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 4 is 24kr plus 4 into 2 into 4 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, there's a minus sign over here, so the minus plus will be minus. So this will be 16rm. 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 2 is 12, minus plus will be minus, and this will be 12km. So you got the result of both the brackets, so we can write it together with a minus sign. So 3k minus 4r minus 2m minus of 3k plus 4r minus 2m, the square in both the bracket, equal to, I'll write the first result, 9k square plus 16r square plus 4m square minus 24kr plus 16rm minus 12km. We'll put this into a bracket, minus sign. The second result is 9k square plus 16r square plus 4m square plus 24kr minus 16rm minus 12km. So when you open the bracket, this minus sign will go inside this bracket and the sign will get changed. We'll write the result with the sign change. So this will be 9k square 16r square plus 4m square minus 224kr plus 16rm minus 12 km. We'll put this in the bracket. Okay. So when we take a minus sign inside, this will turn to 9k square minus 16r square minus 4m square minus plus change to minus 24kr minus and minus will be plus 16rm minus minus will be plus 12km. Now check which terms are getting cancelled. You can see plus 9k square and minus 9k square will get cancelled. 16r square and 16r square will get cancelled. 4m square minus 4m square will get cancelled. Minus and minus will be plus, and you will get minus 24 plus 24 will be 48 kr. Then 16rm plus 16rm will be 32rm minus 12 km and plus 12 km will get cancelled. And that's it. This becomes your final answer. Third question. We'll solve the bracket first and add both the brackets. Let's start with the first bracket. 7a minus 6b plus 5c the whole square is equal to 7a the whole square plus minus 6b the whole square plus 5c the whole square plus 2 into 7a bracket will put the minus, that is 6b, plus, I'll write it down, 2 into minus 6b into 5c, and the second bracket, that is 2 into 7a into 5c. So equal to, this will give you 49a square plus this will give you 36b square, this will give you 25c square plus 7 into 7 is 40, 40 into 6 is 20, that is 84. Now there's a minus over here, so the plus and minus will be minus, and this will give you 84ab plus 6 into 5 30, 30 into 2 is 60. There's a minus sign over here, so the minus and plus will change to minus. So this will give you 60 BC plus 75 is 35, 35 into 2 is 70 AC. So yeah, so this is your first bracket, this is the result of your first bracket. Let's solve the second bracket. 7a plus 6b minus 5c the whole square. So this will be 7a the whole square plus 6b the whole square plus minus 5c the whole square plus 2 into 7a into 6b plus 2 into 6b into minus 5c plus 2 into 7a into minus 5c. So when you solve this, 7a square will be 49a square plus this will be 36b square plus this will be your 25c square plus 7 into 6 will give you, that is 2 into 7 will give you 40, 40 into 6 will give you 84ab plus, so there's a minus sign over here, so minus plus will change to minus. 2 into 6 is 12, 12 into 5 is 60 BC, this will be minus plus will be minus. 2 into 7 is 40, 40 into 5 is 70 AC. So we got the result of both the brackets. We'll write it together with a plus sign. So 7a minus 6b plus 5c the whole square plus 7a plus 6b minus 5c the whole square equal to 49a square plus 36b square plus 25c square minus 84ab 60bc plus 70ac. This becomes your first bracket. Now the second bracket with a positive signing in the between. So this will be 49a square plus 36b square plus 25c square plus 84ab minus 60bc minus 70ac. So when you solve this, so there's a positive sign over here, so none of the sign will change if you open the bracket. So the 49 plus 49 will give you 98a square. 36 plus 36 will give you 72b square plus 25 will give you 50c square. Minus 84ab plus 84ab, this both will get cancelled. Minus will change, will get add, and it will give you minus 120 BC plus and minus. So 70 AC and minus 70 AC will get cancelled, and you're left with this polynomial. So therefore, this becomes your final answer. So that's it for this video. For more videos regarding maths, please press the bell icon and subscribe to this channel and share this video. Thank you.